Bye. See ya.
Bye-bye. Do we get kisses and hugs before you go to work? Okay, come give us kisses and hugs. You're all done with work? Okay. Oh, now you're going to work. Okay. Get ready for work. Oh, fire hat. Yep. You're a firefighter now, huh? You can go fight fires? Let's see. Is that your fire truck over there? You're not supposed to sit on it, Pumpkin. She's sitting on that red and blue one. The Lego one. What are you doing, goofball? You're going to work. Uh-oh, you got a victim in the road. Save your victim.
Save the baby.
Save the baby. Is she safe now? She okay? She's out of harm's way?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Where's my dad? Where's my dad?
What's Sissy doing? Where are you going? What? Bye-bye. Love you. Just keeps going. Bye-bye.